Kain loads! For today's video, mag-ulam tayo ng siomai. Pero suka lang yung nilagay ko, ayaw ko ng ano. Tapos syempre hindi mawala ito. Shout out pala ako kay Cassandra Faith Fabros. Baby girl siya. Iniidolo niya ako. 3 years old po siya. Kuhang-kuha niya po yung aking intro. Shout out sa iyo, Cassandra. Ito kasi yung pampagana. So, ito. Yan ang pampagana sa kain talaga. Yung mga hindi nakakaalam.
Ito yung Thai, favorite ko to. Ayan. Hi loves, kain tayo. So meron tayo dito tusino, daing at talong. Kain tayo. Meron din tayo ditong ano, yung may kamatis, sibuyas, tapos itlog na pula. Yung itlog na pula natin. Ayaw mo ng itlog na pula na nakahalo. Eh, pag ano, kakain kaming itlog na pula, hindi siya kumakain. Itlog na pula natin. Bigyan natin. Ayan, sarap. Kain tayo. Habang kakauwi ko lang sa OJT, tapos umuulan pa. Tapos nagluto si Ella ng food namin. Nakauwi ako ng mga around 8 ba? 8. Tapos lakas ng ulam. Tusino. Daing. Ano ko yung nabili? Wala akong masyadong upload at si Ella dahil busy. Ano pa? Pag pinapakain ako ni Ella hanggang bukas busog. Nabibel ko kahit matulog ako bukas busog pa din. Breakfast na. Breakfast at dinner.
Favorite ng talong, ha?
Ano pala may talong? May talong tayo. Favorite ko to. Ayan. Aman kamatis. Ayan.
My family and I are having Korean barbecue night. Let me show you the spread. Meet, brother, sister, and dad's at the gym. We're making rolls. Okay, so we have some marinated meat. My sister bought at a Korean market this morning. And then we have some hot sesame oil and salt. Prefer what?
Both kimchi.
Both kimchis? I love both. I like the cottage kimchi.
I put both in, just use them all.
Con muốn mẹ cắt hay là con muốn để nguyên vậy?
Cho nó nướng chút rồi.
My sister came back from Asia like less than 4 to 8 hours ago. And so my mom is a happy person probably because she's never...
That's disgusting.
What? Anne came back
I genuinely
and
hate
at
doing
1:30 a.m. she wanted to her room and I was like, oh my god, you're home. The first thing when I see Anne, like it's no hi, hello,
Why do
no
you go to
hug.
In-N-Out?
In-N-Out wasn't open.
Not open.
It was one, right?
No, it was 1:30. And In-N-Out closes at 12:30.
Yeah, they close.
And anyway, so I took Anne to Taco Bell, and Anne was like, I don't know what to get here. And I was like, trust, I'll put you on the grilled cheesesteak burrito
This
and
is so nasty.
the Doritos Locos Tacos. And I was like, I would get you Zui's order of the nacho fries, but it was too diabolical for that hour.
Good. The chicken quesadilla is actually good. That's it though. As I grow older, the more I hate Taco Bell.
You used to eat all the time.
I did. That's why I said as I grow older. This is what it comes down to.
It's but it is expensive.
It's way too expensive. Like, I have
3
to spend
tacos and a
25
burrito.
bucks to get full.
It was $30 last night for our order.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Is it more expensive than McDonald's?
Yeah, it's like luxury fast food if that exists.
I think In-N-Out might be cheaper.
And that's way cheaper. I just ate there for lunch today for 10 bucks.
I thought Taco Bell was on the same hierarchy, same level as McDonald's. When did it skyrocket?
It became expensive a while ago.
Del Taco also.
Del
No, Del
Taco's,
Taco's good.
Del Taco's a lot cheaper.
Del Taco's honestly up there with me, or with In-N-Out for me.
It's a lot cheaper.
It's like In-N-Out, Del Taco, then like McDonald's, Carl's Jr. guys. I just hate that place.
I love Chipotle.
I think it's just nasty.
I like Kava. Do you like Kava?
Yeah, Kava's better, but I don't know. Like all those bowl places are like, there's like
It's like the same place as that Poke next to Share-Tea. You know that Poke spot next to
oh,
Share-Tea?
yeah, it closed.
Yeah, it
but
closed.
I went to the Nook Mia place today. And it's really good. You can get Asian food for Vietnamese food for like under $10 there.
Did you try it?
I didn't try the food, but I tried the juice. The juice is very good.
The galbi's pretty good. Ooh.
I tried to watch it. I didn't do it.
Mom's good at pickleball, right?
Yeah, she got good.
Yeah. I played with her recently. I was like, damn, when did you get good? Sorry. Just kidding. But yeah, she's really fast. And she slams it. Did you play against any competitive people today?
Competitive people?
Same level?
Oh, there were boys that were really good. Mình chơi với hai thằng trai.
There you go.
Yeah, they were good.
At my apartment, I don't even use a Switch. I have to switch. You guys to switch. I'll bring it home. But,
Bring it back. I want it.
okay, yeah, that's what I was thinking. Now that you're home, I'll bring it back. Get a Nintendo Switch going, sweetie.
The game.
Yeah, I have it in my apartment, and I don't even use it because I started using Netflix games, and you can play Overcooked and Jackbox on there too.
Yeah, there's all the games. And you just use your phone.
Have you tried it?
Yeah,
I like
I-
Overcooked.
I have the projector. I play with the late and Beth.
It's so good. It's fun.
Play games.
Like we played like Overcooked.
Overcooked is so
I
fun.
like stupid games.
Bye guys. Mwah.
Papakin nyo na to, oh. Uy, sarap. Ayan.
Kuya, meron kami po dito.
Ano? Puro manok.
Pero ganito din. Bakit kasi may ilaw? Hindi! Moisturizer muna.
Okay, moisturizer muna. Check kami yung after signals. Hello po! Hello po!
Hello po!
Kami po ito ni Bianca, mga makukulit.
Maingay before.
Hindi. Oo, like, akala mo talaga isa siya sa mga nonchalant. Alam mo yun, like, akala mo lang. Pero hindi talaga. May tinatago siyang bagsik.
Para namang nakakatakot yung pagsasabi.
Wala tayong magawa. Lang naman mag-usap lang tayo dito, tapos maboard tayo, o, di ba? Wala tayong progress na nagawa sa buhay natin.
Ang tagal ko nang di nananaginip.
Weirdo. Dapat pinasulat niyo yung name niyo. Jaistel.
Ano ba yan?
Di ako marunong mag-makeup. Hello, G! Guys, medyo meron kasing habit si Bianca na ano.
O, sige, ituloy mo. Paglabas ko ng kay mama, sabi ko, Jaistel!
The next time, mag-pickleball tayo.
Alam niyo ba, guys?
Guys,
Ano?
alam niyo ba?
Ano?
Grabe, guys. Ipakita mo, sis. Ipakita mo.
Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan? Kalibangon ako. Hindi. Maganda ka pa din.
Sakto lang. Eme mo? Ay, taray na may pakain. Wala kasi akong snacks dito. Parang yung version ng pag-makeup na to, pigadura siya.
Ay, nakasalamin ako.
Nakakainis.
Nanlalama.
So, natural na pinkish talaga yung ano mo. Halalag si Bia. Alam nyo kasi nakadata lang yan siya eh. Di mo naman kailangan yung matangos sa ilong mo.
Hello? Hello kayo?
Ay! Oh, sino ka dyan? Para akong may taga-Hollywood na...
Yan.
Ganun ba yan?
Bitaw.